back to DOREEN'S African Experiences, and today we are bringing you machinery. Yes, so many of you have been asking me about construction machines. Where can we find them? How much are they? Are they in Uganda? Yeah, there is a lot of noise, but you get the point. So we do have construction machines today, and you are not going to suffer again. Enjoy the video, and I hope you learned something. I'm gonna give you directions in the next clip. Enjoy! Alright family, so welcome to DOREEN'S African Experiences once again. I bring you machinery. This is some of the stuff I've actually never showed you before. We're shooting from industrial area 6th Street at a very nice business called Staunch Machinery. And these people bring you all construction machines as they come. So family, Staunch Machinery or Staunch Machinery has an outlet in industrial area, and every single machine you see right here is right here. When you come to buy the machines, they'll give them to you on spot, and the prices are actually very friendly, considering you don't have to incur paying taxes or importation fees or nothing like that. So this is actually some of the best thing I've actually come across, and every single machine they have here is brand new. Yes, it's very new. So yeah, let me get started and kindly enjoy the video, right? Okay, so welcome back to DOREEN'S African Experiences. Like I said, English is not my mother tongue. We are shooting from Staunch. Is that how you pronounce it? Staunch. Staunch Machinery, industrial area, 6th Street. If you know where that big poster of Mandela Group of Companies is, they're literally next there. They're next to a lot of places, like you can't miss it, like for real. So we're gonna bring you a couple of construction machines they have going on, and we're going to start with this mixer. The mixer is okay. We are shooting with this very beautiful woman that doesn't want to be on camera, so she's going to take us through. Right, we're gonna be with her in the video, and I hope she's vocal enough. She'll try. Okay,
so the capacity of this mixer is 510 liters, 2 bags of cement per mix. Made Italy, comes with a 1-year warranty, and price is 17 million, negotiable if you come to the company.
Okay, since I have a very loud voice, let me go over it. Now I'm getting a microphone end of month, so you won't have to be loud the next time we do a video. The microphone will simplify your life. So this is a mixer. I'm going to take you around it and you see it. It is a 510 liters. Carries 2 bags of cement per mix. It is made from Italy. It has a 1-year warranty, and it will cost you 17 million Ugandan shillings. Yes, but the money is negotiable.
Oh, it's local.
So it's what does it use? Diesel. It uses it's a diesel mixer. So if you come here to purchase, the price is negotiable. So for those of you that are looking for brand new mixers, here is one. All right. For those that don't know what mixers do, they make concrete. So let's move on to the next. Guys, it's a beauty. Silence generator. Ooh, those that don't make noise. Nice.
6.3 kVA.
Everything as it looks is what it is. What make is this?
That is Parkins engine.
Oh, the engine. Engine is what? Parkins engine.
Branded Staunch.
Branded Staunch. Okay.
Price is 8 million.
8 million. Negotiable. Okay, this is quite interesting. Silent generator. Quite interesting. Do these things, do they label like how much fuel it consumes? How many liters?
1.5 liters per hour.
Per hour. 1.5 liters per hour. Man, these cars are too loud. Let's go on to something else. What is the other thing? Okay, that's okay. Alright, let's get in. It's too loud, guys. Now, we're going to look at... Do you remember sometime back when I posted... for those of you that are new to the channel, I was an ambassador in East Africa for a Chinese company whose name I won't mention, that imports machines that make blocks. See those blocks that are made from sand, cement, stone dust? So I was an ambassador for those, for the company, and because we had our differences, I left and also terminated their videos. Now, for those of you that were constantly asking me, where can we get the machines? These machines are ready in Uganda. When you come, they give you your machine. You don't have to pay import tax. You don't have to pay any other tax. You don't have to worry about someone stealing your money or sending it overseas to someone you don't trust. You come, the day you pay for the machine is the day you get the machine at Staunch Machinery. So I'm going to take you through some of the machines they have. All right. So let her take you through. I'll just give you a tour.
This is a block making machine. Am I loud enough?
Yes, you're very loud.
Block making machine can make both blocks and pavers. You just change the mold. This is the mold. Just change that. It can make 2,000 blocks per day. Uses either diesel engine or electric motor, your choice. So right now the machine has no engine or no motor because the customer will come with a different
They'll choose, but they are available right now.
Both are available. With a diesel engine, 10.5 million. With electric motor, 9.5 million. Negotiable, all the prices above.
Okay, now to add to what the beautiful lady said, now I need to ask, at that price, do they give you both motors or they give you one motor? How much is a motor?
No.
Sorry, I didn't mean motor. Motor, I know, either diesel or electric. I meant mold, the mold one. Of your choice. So if you want blocks? And how much is a mold if someone wanted to buy separate?
Any extra, whatever design, whatever size, 1.8.
1.8 a mold. Okay, Binosibia Katwe, for those of you, I've been to Katwe, I know what I'm talking about. These are brand new machines. If you watch my older videos, you see me making blocks with these machines. So I know exactly what I'm talking about. Now, I don't know how to convince you. Do these have warranties? What? 1 year warranty. Okay, so you have to understand, but if you buy this machine and you don't know how to use it, call me and you pay me and I teach you how to use, but I'm sure they'll also teach you as you buy. Yeah, but if you want more teaching, you kind of have to pay me for that. But let me take you around the machine so you take a close look at it. All right? These are 6-inch blocks. 8-inch. 6 and 8. Okay. So you choose the mold, the size mold that you want, yeah? Okay. Yeah, but majority of you are making 8 inches. All right, let's look at another machine. Now this is manual, semi-manual, but not like you don't need a lot of energy. Yeah, because I've had manual machines that are not attached to anything. They kind of require a lot of energy. But this, I think you just press, you know, even a woman can press this. The ladies that wanted these machines, I think you now know. Okay, and then we have that big machine. So it also, how many molds does it have? How many blocks does it produce? Yeah, but how many does it produce? 7,000 a day. Okay, strictly electrical?
No,
can be both, electric or diesel. Okay. And you said it produces how many a day? 7,000 blocks a day, and this one only produces blocks. You can't change the mold. Okay, also 1 year warranty. How much did we say? 45 million Ugandan shillings, negotiable. Okay, do you transport for the parcels? They come with their own mode of transportation. Okay, a machine like that would require like a crane to lift it. Yes. I had 2 machines moved, and I swear to God, I had like strong dudes.
Load for you,
but they are,
that, but
yeah. You take it to offload, you know, but this is a beautiful machine. It comes with a mixer, right? It doesn't come with a mixer. Okay, where does the sand go?
This isn't self-loading.
It's not self-loading.
Yeah.
Where does the material go?
The molds. Those are the molds. The space.
Ah, you pour. Okay, so this is the one that self-loads. Because this one here is attached to that.
This is electric. This is
okay. Yeah. And then yes, you also choose with this big one. The motor. Yeah. This is completely diesel. Okay. I kind of feel like with the way electricity is in this country, this is highly manageable. Diesel is cheaper because you decide when to make the blocks. Electric is not constantly running. You don't have to be hustled by a single soul. Now, what is this?
A self-loading mixer. 510 liters. Like one outside, but this one is self-loading.
Wait, this is a mixer? Yes. Okay, so this is everything you need to know about this mixer, guys. For those of you that are trying to do huge projects, man, this is your thing. Self-loading mixer. I don't think there is much to say about it except how much does it cost. 55 million negotiable. When we say million, we mean Ugandan shillings. Very negotiable, and it's Italian made? Yes. Yeah, man, that shit is good.
Lombardini.
The engine is what?
Lombardini engine.
Lombardini. Yeah. You know what? I'm now going to get into cars. Right. I'm telling you, this chick is pretty. She's also very smart. This is a mobile site compressor. Oh, for the foundation.
Yeah, working with stones, with ground.
Yeah. By the way, guys, you have to compress your stuff, man. Don't. By the way, it's dangerous if you pour concrete in a ground before compressing. It's very dangerous. So make sure you compress. But I think you have the small ones, right? Yeah, we're going to look at the small ones as well. And if you want to start a business, by the way, you can actually buy one of these machines and be renting them out. It's a business idea. How much is that compressor, the big one? 98 Ugandan shillings. That is millions. 98 millions. But I feel like the prices they're giving you are actually decent because you guys, have you tried shipping things? Have you? Ah, yes. The small compressors. Where are they?
These.
The 3 ones. Okay, so I don't know. Do we have to get into prices with those?
No.
Okay, range for me.
100 liters, 200, 500.
100 liters, 200, and 500, yeah? Okay, so how much do they range from?
Range 100, 3.5.
The 100 liters is 3.5.
200, 4.5, 5 million.
4.5 to 5.
500, 13 to 14.
Okay. By the way, they also have grass cutting things. Look at them. How much are they, by the way?
We have 2-stroke and 4-stroke.
2-stroke is how much?
2-stroke is 1.2, 4-stroke 1.3.
Man. Okay, I've always wanted to buy one of those to rent to people, but man, I've always wanted to do many businesses. Like, let's focus on machinery and then we'll get back to those. We'll make another video showing you the different tools. Yeah. because some of you need power tools and you don't know where to find them. So let's focus on machinery. All right, we have more generators in here.
Yes.
Let's look at them. Welding generators.
Open type. You can.
I am fat. So this stress was created for you, man.
Welding generator, size 6.3 kVA. Welding generator.
Yeah,
Get it.
it's fine. It's fine, baby.
Okay. 6.3 kVA. I think most of you who know that you can't use both the generator and the welding part at the same time. If you want to use it as a generator, you first use it as a generator, then pause, then use it for welding. But comes with a 1-year warranty. Price is 8.5, negotiable if you come to company. And we have all spare parts and service kits for our generators. So if anything happens to it, just give us a call.
Do they also know that this is one of the best companies that produces machines in the world?
DeWalt. We also have DeWalt products.
Yeah.
Grinders, drills, all the above.
All cutters.
Yes.
Man, they have everything. Truth is, you guys have everything. And the thing is, my friends here are used to things that are manually made by our brothers and sisters in Katwe. But you have to understand that every time you buy something that is just, I don't know, not designed by an expert, you know what I mean? I'm not taking credit away from our brothers who are fabricating whatever they are fabricating. But you know the difference. The difference slaps real hard. You know, production is different, perfection is different. So if you want grinders, what are those things they use in the walls to put nails? I don't know. Guys, there is like plenty of machines here. I don't even know what this is.
These are milking machines.
To milk cows?
Yes.
Holy shit. Okay, hold on. How much is a milking machine?
We have single and double. Single, this one, at 12 million.
Mm-hmm.
Single is 8 and double 12.
Okay, so the single cow milking machine is 8 million Ugandan shillings. Is it negotiable? Non-negotiable. That is the only thing I've seen here that is non-negotiable. And then the double milking thing is 12 million. Also non-negotiable. Negotiable. Okay. So that when you hear non-negotiable, it means they've given you the very last price. Okay, guys, and what are these now? Coolers. Okay.
We have from 500 liters to 3,000 liters.
Okay, what's a thought? What is the smallest one you say?
500.
500 liters.
Yes.
How much is that?
500 liters is about 9 million.
500 liters is 9 million, and the biggest is?
The biggest is 3,000, about 98 million.
So every time I see people selling milk and I see these things, I should stop underlooking them because they are spending serious money. Yo, guys, look, this is the thing. Everything you see here is a business idea. Now that's the beauty about this video, okay? One of the reasons I did this video is because I've taught you how to start some of these businesses, but I've never told you where to get the machines to enable you to actually run that business. So if you want to start a small business, okay, small scale businesses, you can be having your cows in your village. Get safer way to milk the cows. You know, the milk is safe. You can sell it anywhere. No hassle, nothing. We're gonna make a video on those tools that you see there. Those tools, there's so many. But first, I want to focus on machines. What is this?
No.
Okay.
Cleaners.
Vacuum cleaners.
Yes.
Interesting.
This is 3 motor capacity at 6.5 negotiable.
Whoa. So this is huge. Industrial wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Information is readily available. This is huge. Are there smaller ones for like a home? Yeah. But regular, they're always there.
Yeah.
Interesting. So,
For garage, guys.
yeah, these are men things. This video is actually like for dudes, man.
We have tire changers, single and double. We have oil extractors. We have very many things.
Interesting.
Scrape, floor scrape for smoothing the floor.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So, if someone wants to start like a washing bay,
Here, now let me show you the washing bay.
wait, there is also washing bay things. Do you realize? Wait, how much were the tire changers?
Tire changers single.
We'll get back to that. First tell me these things that we see here. Do you realize the amount of stuff these guys have going on, and everything is brand new, like for real? After you said Doreen has never showed us anything. When you have full businesses here, you see every machine you see here, you can actually use it to make serious money. Like for real, jokes aside, every single machine you see in this place is an investment, like a serious investment.
Okay. Tire changers single 13 million, double 15 million.
Okay.
Then these pressure washers, we have electric, petrol and diesel.
Electric, petrol, and diesel. Electric is how much?
This first one,
The small one.
this is 3-phase though,
Hold on. Yeah, small but 3-phase. That's crazy.
but we also have one single phase.
Okay, so single phase is how much?
Single phase is 140 bar at 4.5. This is 3-phase at 5.5. Petrol 200 bar at 6.5. Diesel, the biggest, 220 bar at 9.5 negotiable.
So basically, what you're telling me is that as long as it's a machine, it can be found here.
Yes, it can.
Even the wildest machines you are thinking about, you can find them here. Like you're seated there and thinking, where can I find this machine?
I think the next I'm going to show you agriculture machines.
Please show me.
They're in the mix.
I'm going to do another video on agriculture machines. I am a farmer, you know. Part-time farmer. I'm getting into farming in March. Alright, so I hope you learned something with these machines. Thank you for watching Doreen's African Experiences. Don't forget to come and support. Yep, don't forget to come and support, yeah? This is some cool stuff, man. Alright, thank you Staunch Machinery for letting us do this episode. I know it couldn't have been easy. Thank you for sharing with us and have a nice day.